Here are 4 tips if you're looking to get a smile makeover by a cosmetic dentist. Tip number 1, look for a dentist who has a lot of experience doing cosmetic treatments. Not every dentist likes to do it, not every dentist is capable of doing it, not every dentist is equipped with the right ceramics to do it, so make sure you check and make sure that you see before and after photos and you really like their work. Tip number 2, make sure you take photos of smiles that you like to your consultation. We can't make the teeth exactly like the photos that you like because every person is individual and we need to make the teeth match you specifically, but we could pick up on characteristics that you like and match to those characteristics that you like and make your smile really beautiful. Tip number 3, make sure you get a wax up done. A wax up looks like this. It's basically when we take impressions of what your teeth look like right now, and we create a wax mold of what the end result will look like. And so you get to analyze this, make sure you like it, see if you want any changes, and it basically puts you and the doctor on the same page as far as aesthetics go. Tip number 4, make sure that you get to try the teeth in before they're permanently put in. So the permanent teeth that are made, make sure that your temporaries are removed. You could try the teeth in, you could look at them in a mirror and analyze them. So that way, before they're permanently put in, you get to approve them and there's no surprises. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I will be happy to make more content on this for you.